Welcome to Lucky English for Beginners. Office life is a great place to practice natural English communication. Here are 300 practice sentences focused on daily office interactions to help you improve your fluency, professionalism, and confidence in a workplace setting. Starting the day. Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a restful weekend. Let me grab a cup of coffee before I start my tasks. I need to check my emails for any urgent updates. My calendar is quite full with meetings today. I will start by prioritizing my most important work. Does anyone have a moment to review this document? I am ready to dive into the project goals. Let us make sure we are all on the same page. I have prepared the agenda for our morning meeting. Can you please send me the latest file version? I am currently logging into the company network now. Let us aim for a very productive morning session. I appreciate your prompt response to my message earlier. Please let me know if you need any assistance today. I am looking forward to a successful day ahead. Meetings and collaboration. Shall we begin the meeting on time today? Who is responsible for taking the meeting minutes? Let us discuss the progress of our ongoing project. Does anyone have any concerns about the new timeline? I think we need to allocate more resources here. Could you please clarify your point once more? That is an excellent suggestion for our team. I agree with the direction we are taking. We should focus on improving our team communication. Can we schedule a follow-up meeting for next week? I will share my screen so everyone can see. Does everyone have access to the shared folder? Let us vote on the final decision together. I will send out a summary after this call. Thank you all for your valuable input today. Daily work tasks. I am working on the monthly performance report. Please upload the data to the server by noon. I need to finish this presentation before lunch. Let me double-check the figures in this spreadsheet. I have completed the draft for the client proposal. Could you proofread this email for any errors? I am coordinating with the marketing team today. We are waiting for the final approval from management. I have organized all the documents into folders. My primary focus is to increase our efficiency. I will troubleshoot the technical issue shortly. Please keep me updated on any status changes. I have successfully resolved the client complaint. The team is making great strides on the design. I am updating the inventory list this afternoon. Communication and email. I will reply to that email as soon as possible. Please find the attached file for your review. I am forwarding the request to the department head. Let me know if you have any questions about this. I have marked this email as high priority. Please confirm that you have received the message. I will draft a response and send it shortly. Let us keep the communication professional and clear. I am waiting to hear back from the client. Could you copy me on the correspondence, please? I am updating my email signature today. Please avoid using jargon in the company memo. I will follow up with the vendor by phone. Send the invitation via the calendar invite tool. I have archived the completed project emails. Lunch and office breaks. Are you planning to join us for lunch today? I am going to the cafeteria around 1 o'clock. Would you like to order food from that new place? I think I will just have a quick sandwich today. It is good to step away from the desk for a while. I need to take a short walk to refresh my mind. Let us take a 15-minute coffee break together. I am heading to the break room for some water. Did you catch the news during your lunch break? I feel much more energized after this break. Problems and solutions. We seem to have encountered a small problem. Let us brainstorm some ways to fix this issue. I have identified the root cause of the error. We need to find a solution that works for everyone. Is there a way to streamline this process? I have a few ideas to address the delay. Let us test this theory before we implement it. I am confident we can handle this situation well. What are the potential risks of this new approach? We should document our steps for future reference. Professional growth. I want to develop my skills in this area. Are there any training sessions available this month? I am interested in taking an online certification. Could you provide some feedback on my recent work? I want to learn more about the industry trends. I am setting new professional goals for myself. Thank you for the opportunity to lead this task. I am always open to learning new software tools. Mentorship is very important for my career path. I strive to contribute positively to the team. Office etiquette. Please remember to keep the shared space tidy. Let us be mindful of noise levels in the office. It is polite to greet colleagues when you arrive. Always respect everyone's time during meetings. I will make sure to mute my mic during the call. Thank you for respecting our meeting boundaries. Let us maintain a supportive and inclusive culture. It is important to honor our office deadlines. Please handle the office equipment with care. Professionalism is reflected in our daily conduct. Client interaction. Thank you for contacting our support team. How can I assist you with your request today? I will look into your account details right now. We value your feedback on our services. I appreciate your patience while I check this. We aim to provide the best possible experience. Is there anything else I can help you with? I have sent the requested information to you. Please feel free to reach out with more questions. It was a pleasure speaking with you today. Leadership and teamwork. Let us work together to achieve our goals. I trust your judgment on this specific task. You have done a fantastic job on this project. How can I support you to be more successful? Let us celebrate our collective achievement today. Teamwork is essential for our department's success. I am here to help whenever you need support. Let us align our efforts for the next phase. We can accomplish so much more as a team. Your contributions are highly valued by all. Advanced office vocabulary, 300 sentences continued. We must execute the strategy efficiently. Let us optimize our workflow for better results. The project roadmap is clearly defined now. I will supervise the implementation process. We need to reach a consensus by Friday. The department is undergoing a restructuring. Let us analyze the quarterly metrics together. I am delegated to manage the new account. We need to maintain high standards of quality. I will facilitate the brainstorming session today. Our goal is to maximize customer satisfaction. The synergy between departments is improving. Please adhere to the company compliance policy. We should prioritize long-term sustainability. I will coordinate the logistics for the event. The executive team reviewed our performance. We must address the bottleneck in production. Let us leverage our strengths for this goal. I am updating the project scope document. We need to mitigate the potential risks soon. The team deserves recognition for their hard work. I will implement the new feedback system. Let us focus on generating more revenue. Our current infrastructure needs an upgrade. I have analyzed the market trends extensively. We need to foster innovation in our office. Let us finalize the budget for next month. The transition process should be very smooth. I will evaluate the project outcomes later. We must be transparent in our reporting. Let us enhance our digital presence today. I am refining the operational procedures now. We should capitalize on this new opportunity. The deadline is fast approaching for us. I will audit the expense reports by tomorrow. Let us maintain professional communication. We must meet the client's requirements. The vision for this department is clear. I will supervise the training of new staff. Let us increase our brand awareness globally. We need to foster a culture of integrity. I am formulating a plan for the expansion. The staff meeting will be held in Conference A. We must ensure data security at all times. I will present the findings to the board. Let us aim for excellence in every task. We should review the service level agreement. I am monitoring the project timeline closely. The performance review is scheduled for Monday. Let us drive the business growth forward. I will streamline the report submission process. We must remain agile in this fast market. The proposal needs a final executive sign-off. I am facilitating the conflict resolution talk. Let us build a sustainable business model. We need to diversify our product range now. I will conduct a thorough feasibility study. The office culture is becoming more collaborative. We must deliver on our value proposition. I am drafting the annual strategic plan. Let us benchmark our performance metrics. We need to invest in professional training. The management is fostering open dialogue. I will oversee the quality control process. We must adapt to the changing landscape. Let us cultivate a positive work environment. I am researching new market demographics today. We need to leverage our competitive advantage. The client is satisfied with our response. I will finalize the meeting minutes soon. Let us pursue the strategic initiative now. We must ensure project alignment with goals. I am assessing the current resource capacity. The company is promoting talent internally. Let us execute the marketing campaign well. We need to streamline internal communications. I will document the best practices learned. The team is exhibiting great potential here. We must value every client's perspective. I am dedicated to professional excellence. Let us prioritize the most urgent tasks. We need to balance quality and speed. I will prepare the quarterly summary report. The firm is expanding its global footprint. Let us foster deeper client relationships. We must support team member growth daily. I am optimizing the project budget plan. The board expects high growth this year. Let us implement a new feedback loop today. We need to remain focused on the target. I will lead the internal audit process. The communication strategy is evolving now. Let us achieve our operational objectives. We must uphold our company values daily. I am tracking the progress of the campaign. The market is showing signs of growth. Let us innovate our current service model. We need to consolidate our internal files. I will manage the vendor expectations well. The project is nearing successful completion. Let us demonstrate our capability clearly. We must ensure top-tier service delivery. I am refining the presentation for the CEO. The organization is prioritizing technology. Let us improve our internal response time. We need to analyze the data insights today. I will resolve the scheduling conflicts now. The strategy should be robust and scalable. Let us maintain our high standard of work. We must cultivate a sense of ownership here. I am organizing the annual team workshop. The management is reviewing our progress. Let us focus on the customer journey map. We need to anticipate client needs better. I will facilitate a productive meeting today. The objective is to scale our operations. Let us embrace digital transformation tools. We must provide consistent brand messaging. I am auditing our current software tools. The team is ready for the new challenge. Let us strengthen our internal collaboration. We need to deliver exceptional results now. I will oversee the office relocation project. The industry is rapidly becoming automated. Let us set clear milestones for the project. We must practice effective time management. I am drafting a proposal for the board. The culture here is focused on growth. Let us enhance our problem-solving skills. We need to maintain professional focus. I will organize the filing system today. The goal is long-term stability and gain. Let us provide constructive criticism daily. We must prioritize employee well-being now. I am managing the client portal access. The team is dedicated to the vision daily. Let us refine our presentation techniques. We need to capture the current market share. I will report on our monthly milestones. The business model is working effectively. Let us pursue professional development now. We must act with precision and intent. I am coordinating the conference call lines. The client's needs remain our top priority. Let us streamline the project approval path. We need to build trust with our partners. I will check the inventory stock levels. The growth trajectory looks very positive. Let us implement a new collaboration tool. We must follow standard safety procedures. I am preparing the end-of-year review data. The board values transparent communication. Let us focus on increasing overall output. We need to respect different working styles. I will maintain the integrity of our data. The project is demonstrating real impact. Let us encourage proactive thinking today. We must meet the target set for the year. I am reviewing the draft for accuracy now. The company is rewarding innovative ideas. Let us plan for a successful launch phase. We need to refine our technical documentation. I will follow up with the project sponsors. The workflow is becoming more predictable. Let us commit to these excellent standards. We must support one another's success daily. I am analyzing the customer feedback loops. The potential for advancement is excellent. Let us prepare for the upcoming audit phase. We need to simplify our reporting format. I will keep the project board updated now. The focus remains on strategic alignment. Let us ensure everyone feels empowered here. We must deliver on the promises made today. I am drafting the internal newsletter text. The environment encourages creative thinking. Let us resolve all pending items this week. We need to maintain a sharp professional edge. I will manage the task distribution fairly. The commitment to quality defines our office.